All right, and welcome back. We are going to go over the quiz. So problem 1 says, which of these is the same as 17 minus 9? Let's take a look. So we have 17 minus 9, and we know from our lesson that we can make an even 10 out of this. So we have our two-digit number, and we want to subtract the ones place. So we know that it's 17 minus 7 minus, 7, 8, 9. So if I take away 7, but I'm supposed to take away 9, I'll have 2 left over. So it's 17 minus 7 minus 2. And if you look on our quiz, we have 17 minus 7 minus 2. And then just for us, let's solve it. So 17 minus 7 is 10. Minus 2 is 8. All right, let's move on to the next question. The next question reads, which of these problems is equal to 10? 8 plus 2, 9 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4. Well, I'm not even going to write this one down because this is something that we should be starting to get into our heads. What makes 10? And the only thing here that makes 10 is 8 plus 2. If you were struggling with this, here's some tips that you could have used. 9 plus 4 is going to be more than 10 because you need only one more from 9 to make 10. 6 plus 3 was always going to be less than 10 because 6 plus 4 is 10. And we should all know our doubles that 5 plus 5 is 10, so 5 plus 4 is going to be 1 less, 9. Our final problem says, what is 7 plus 8? So we have 7 plus 8. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make a 10. What is the 10 for 7? It's 3. So I know that 7 plus 3. I've used 3 from my 8 here. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 3 plus 5. And then 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is easy. 15. That was a quick review of our quiz. Please now go on to iReady.com and do 30 minutes of lessons that are tailored specifically for you. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday. Goodbye.